One of his names is also Dainata. Dainata means who possesses humility. Because he's a Dasya Rati Hanuman. Dasya Rati Hanuman ki. He's the greatest servant of Bhagavan. He's famous, Dasya Rati. We have in the Vaishnavas, we have Bhakta Prahlad. But he's not, Bhakta Prahlad is both Nietzsche. Hanuman both Upar. We have one of our literatures by Sanatana Goswami called Brihad Bhagavatamritam. It describes different levels of devotees. Who is the greatest and the nearest and the best devotees and closest to the heart of the Lord. So low down on the scale is Prahlad, and way above Prahlad is Hanuman.
I never expect such a reply from Gaudiya Vaishnava, so I'm very happy.
No, I try to follow the teachings of A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada and Pandit Sri Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj. I studied with him, took Shiksha for 30 years, and Prabhupada I'm taking Shiksha for 45 years. So 45 years his Shiksha, 30 years Babaji Shiksha. So I'm representing them. They are the greatest Gaudiya Vaishnavas I ever met. I surrendered my life to both of them. So whatever I am is their mercy. So I thank you for that compliment, because they will appreciate that.
Thank you.
Prabhupada met so many kinds of devotees and so many kinds of people. He never offended one. He got heavy and spoke and challenged, but he never offended. Everybody left happily, feeling, oh, what a nice Swamiji. He has a different path, a different belief. They all got some rasgullas and some sweets, and in the end they're all shaking hands and happy. Oh, a nice Swamiji I met. When this kind of Kali Yuga Kalaha happens, you don't feel good. This is Kali. Kali means black and Kali means Kalaha. Kalaha means fight, argument. Kali.